Now let's take a look at a couple of examples. Here is an example of a sponsored post where I received these essential oil products in exchange for a post on my blog and then sharing it out to social media. So you'll see these links and it has my affiliate code so that if somebody clicks through, I get paid for any sales that are made using that link. So you can see it can be time consuming to put it together. I created this big image, which is a Pinterest pin that gets shared on Pinterest. And then I took a lot of images with the product so that I had a lot to show the company that I had put time into creating this post. And I created just content around that I liked the product and what I thought about it and how I used it. And so that is one way you can make money with your blog. Here's just an example of another post about decluttering, and you can see there's certain links in here that again are highlighted, and when you click on them, so when you click on it, it actually takes you over to Amazon, and then based on the rules of the affiliate, you make money based on how fast somebody orders using your link. In the case of Amazon, you have 24 hours for somebody to make a purchase, and if and some affiliate companies have longer, like 30 days, 90 days, or lifetime cookies. So it really depends on the program that you sign up for. And then, of course, you can also have a store on your site. Here's Tony Robbins' page. And if you go to his products, you'll see that he sells a number of products on his site. So you can also sell your own products.